What's up guys, Opsa here and welcome to I Remember the Rain. So this is a game made by Jordan Brown. So I heard this is a sad game and yeah, just let's get right into it. That night. Okay. I'm driving a car. It's raining. And suddenly I stopped.
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain. Thousands of tiny razors against my skin.
What are razors anyways? I think it's a shavement. Hello?
Kick back. Ambulance approach.
Wait, who crashed?
I almost bled to death. I couldn't.
I'm leaning down.
I had to find you. And when I did, I always wished that I hadn't.
The wife died in the waiting room. Sorry, I
sat
didn't.
there, playing out the situations, the things I could have said and how I could have changed.
Just have to wait like the rest of them.
Like the rest of them, British.
I've been waiting here for days.
The doctor said you were only sleeping.
Oh no.
I'm so sorry. There's nothing more we could have done.
No! No, that's not true. Piece of crap. So long, good night. So long, good night. Oh my god. Open door. No, we're at church. Oh my gosh.
May your memories give you strength.
Lady. Yeah, they could give us strengths, but they make us cry.
We live in the hearts of those we leave behind.
Well said, old man. I can't look at this old man. Look at his hair. He's like looking over there, but it's not. That doesn't.
Do we really go to a better place?
Don't worry, lady. We will. Or I will. Or you. Anyway.
How can you sum up someone's entire life in a single day?
So many words I wanted to say. I spoke
to
to them, but I said them to
I said
you.
them to you.
Well, shouldn't have that. Oh, am I gonna kill myself? Might as well open the TV. So that they think. Whoa, what? Where? It's a different dimension. Look! On that dimension, it's a girl alive, but I can't fucking do it. You don't have to die to be dead. Well, actually, that's a lie. You need to die first, then you're dead. Looks like I'm gonna visit my wife.
I've learned to live without you, but still,
Sometimes I wish that I was the one that. Oh God! It's a separate universe. Why is the grave like so far from the other graves?
I wish that it was me in that car, and you in that way.
Oh no!
That it was you standing here now. But it isn't like that, is it?
It's a different dimension.
Feel like it.
What? That's it? Oh my. So that game was I Remember the Rain. That was a short one. I didn't know. If they made it like a story mode, that would be awesome. Yeah, that was really sad. Tough words.
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain.
And it ended like that. I remember the rain. Well, that's I Remember the Rain, guys. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like. And if you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to play this game yourself, it's going to be in the links below. Anyways, guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Holy grail.